Sometimes it's very good to react when anything is being said to you online, especially from cut and join bloggers who derive joy in using your name for clout and their own personal gain. Now, this same thing trended 3 years ago, and I think that 3 years ago I just waved it off because it was obviously misinterpreted. I was in a live video with my friend Chidi Mike. Then he said something like, because of who you are or how you are only going to be attracting older and married men, that no young boy would want to be with you unless they're going to be with you for your money or for any other reason. I said, don't say that I get advances from younger boys. It's not as if I'm even old. Why are you people making it look like I'm 50? I'm 36, for goodness sake. I don't understand where they say when you're 36 you're already old. So I don't understand where that all this whole rubbish is coming from. Now let me continue my story. Then Chidi Mike said what he said. Then I said, what if I decide to buy any man of my choice? So why are you telling me that a young guy cannot be with me because he loves me for real, not because he has anything to gain? Have you been with me? Do you know the kind of people that are with me? They don't want to leave, and that's a fact. Now that won't go like that. I think that video trended that time, and of course bloggers put their own headline. Actress Nkechi Blessing Sunday said she can buy any man of her choice. I received a lot of demeaning messages in my DM, insults, abuses, different kind of things from different kind of people, both male and female. I did not say a word. I didn't even come out to address it because now who no get sense go really they read meaning to waiting I talk, they twist them to their own words, and that's what you want to take. Nigerians, they will only take the part that favors them. They don't even give a flying F how we affect the other person. Bloggers just want to make money acquire. That's it. Now I can see that this same propaganda is flying around again, because yesterday, see what it make me open my DM yesterday. This is what I saw. I can comfortably buy a man if I want to, Nkechi Blessing says. And then this person that sent me this in my DM said, I am available in case you want to buy me. I don't know who you are, where you are, sitting down in the comfort of your home, trying to bring out a narrative that will dent my image. But I say this to you today, it will never be well with you. I know they look for clout. I don't want to trend. I am very fine not even trending, because Nigerians, once you are not trending, you are not making money. That one a big lie. When I decided to go low key is when I started seeing what they call real money. So don't put me in that mix. I don't come online to chase clout, to look for something that will make me trend. I don't be trend. I want to make money. I don't want to be in the news for the wrong reasons. So I am going to put this to whoever it is that is bringing up this same narrative again. It's better you stop, because if I catch one person, I go use one person to do scapegoats. I know they come online and they do cho again. I go really sit down, take my time, and look for the person that wants to trend this same narrative over again. About 6 people have sent this same thing to me in my DM, telling me rubbish like, in case you won't buy me, or are they available to be bought? Are you people okay? I'm in a very sweet and happy relationship, and I don't need to put it in your faces, because I don't even need to prove nothing to anybody. I have gone past that era of my life. Whatever I post is what I want you to see. You're not going to force me to post what I don't want you to see, because it is not your business. And I put it to this person again that is trying to raise this same issue again, all over again, in my quiet time, because they feel saying Nkechi don't quiet, they go let them trend again. She no go talk anything. No, I go bring out that old character where I go take reply anybody we talk anyhow, because this one now is like a dent on my image. I don't get anybody who I think they buy man. As a matter of fact, they find man will go buy me safe. If you want to say I get money, I want to buy man. As who? As sugar mommy, I be 60, am I 70? I still hot.
More people should learn to leave Nkechi Blessing alone now. This woman is one kind low person, like low-key person in this industry. On this media space, you hardly see her. She hardly fall in any scandal. She's always on herself, by herself, altogether. People should mind their business and let this woman be. Haba.